Hey guys, it's Finn and Jake and Mini Autos. Shit.
I'm coming right after. Come on!
I know. Let's push that button. Shit! It's coming!
Kommer crushen efter dig.
Wait, we got it! Shit! He failed. Whoa! Damn it. We can find a way out.
Jag går back.
Yeah. Wait, fail. Oh shit! It almost fell over the car. Sorry, bro. He did! Did you see that? I was so strong. Let's do pass by. Pass by. Go. Come on, take me if you can. Take me if you can. Take me if you can. Let's jump on to another. Take me if you can. Take me. Shit. Dog. This is much easier. No, this is bad. I go back to the old car. That's amazing. Oh, freak!
No, I want to get the ability to shoot out of your eyes.
You're right.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna take.
Pass by. Shh. Shing. I go into my backpack. What? Is that my backpack? Oh man! He got energy. You want to look at him? So go ahead.